Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today we are going to be making slime. And I've been obsessed with slime lately. I've been just eating up all the glue and making slime. And over again, I've already made like 6 slimes, I think. And I just learned how to make it from someone teaching me, and I'm like, oh, so I'm gonna make some slime. So today we're making fluffy slime. And you probably already have these ingredients at home because just over time, if you have a dad, then you're gonna get shaving cream because you have, I don't know. But this is what you're gonna be making today, but you can put it in a different color. Right now, I'm making a blue one, and this is what it's gonna look like, but in blue. But I get the pre-made glitter slime because it's much easier not to put the glitter in because it's already pre-made. And if you put glitter in, then it just goes everywhere when you put it, and then this one doesn't fall out. So it's gonna be looking like this. The texture's gonna be like this. It's gonna be very pokeable and just stretchy. So what you're gonna need for this is a bowl, something to mix with, like a spoon, and you maybe want like a metal spoon because it's gonna get really hard to stir, and measuring teaspoons. You're gonna need it in teaspoons. And contact lens solution. Shaving cream. You might want to use this kind because other ones, like when you play with it, your hands get dry and red. And the pre-made glitter glue. Baking soda. And last but not least, lotion to make it stretchy. So you're gonna get your bowl and you're gonna get it and empty out all of the glue that you have in the bottle. This is weird. I hate the fart noises that glue makes when you do this. This is going to take a long time. And I hate having to empty out the glue because when you're making a slime and you're playing with it, you notice when you didn't put your stuff up, you notice that you still have a little bit more glue left, and then you're like, oh, I gotta go make another batch because I still have some glue left and I don't want to waste it. So okay, here's what the glue looks like. So now you're gonna add the baking soda, and if you're gonna make a little small batch, you may want to use the smallest one. But if you're making this big of a batch, then you're gonna probably want the 1.5 teaspoon one. So you're gonna get it, measure it out to 1/2 teaspoon, put it in. Then you're going to mix it. And then you're gonna add shaving cream. Then you're gonna stir it. Maybe a little hard. Because for this slime, I used a big bowl. So if you're using a little bowl, it may take a little time to put the shaving cream in. And if you're using like a color, then the shaving cream will make that color a pastel color. But when it sits, let it turn like that color. It won't be pastel. Like I let the red one sit out and it turned like red and it wasn't pastel red. So when you mix all your shaving cream together, you are going to put lotion in. And if you're making a big batch, then you're probably going to put in like, I'd say 5 to 7 squirts. Or maybe 10, I don't know, if you want it to be really stretchy. You're going to mix it. And you see if it's not coming together, because when you mix the lotion in, it's going to come together a little bit. And you can see. But if it's not coming together, don't panic and throw it down the sink because it's still going to work if you add the contact lens solution in. So after you put the lotion in, you're going to put the contact lens solution in. So squirt it in. And if you put too much in, then y'all know that it's going to turn into a big liquidy hard slime. I would say a hard slime, but you're gonna put however much you need, but you're gonna put little amounts and at a time. Because if you add it all in once, it's gonna turn a hard slime and it's gonna be really messy. So if you just mix this and put however you need, and it's starting to get hard to mix because you add all that stuff, and that's why you want to use a hard, like a very strong spoon, like I told y'all in the beginning. So, while I'm mixing this, I am going to just mix it. I don't know what to do. It's gonna get really hard. And when you get to the like when it starts coming together very easily and it's cleaning out your bowl, then you might want to knead it. And after you knead it, oh my gosh! And this one, it actually takes a little while to like get together for it to clean out your bowl because it's so sticky. Like, can you see that? Sticky it is. So hard. This is really hard to do. What is that? I sound like I hear like a tearing noise in the back of my house. I don't know why. So you're gonna put in the contact lens solution, and when you get, what the heck is that? Oh my gosh. I still don't know what this sound is. I need to pause it for a second and go see what it is. Wait. Let go of me! Let go! What? Jesse, move. Wait, don't start again. Go, Jesse. Look, I'm gonna wait for him to go. Go. I don't want you running away. Okay, so there's a bunch of stuff in the room that my cat was knocking over. She was like, I can't explain it. My cat was moving a box and she poured everything out that was in there. And it's like she's moving it with her paw. And that was the noise. My cat was messing up the box and pouring everything out on the floor. Like, are you kidding? I'm not going to tell you what is in the box because it's kind of something. But anyways, our cat was like messing with our stuff, and our cat is stupid. Right, Skittles? Her name is Skittles. She's so cute. Okay. So, she's ridiculous. And so, please tell me there's no one behind me. Okay. So now, it's like, I did not know what that noise was, so I was just gonna pause the video and just like check it out because my cat always does that. She's always moving a box or getting in a box. She literally sits in a box. It's so ridiculous, absurd. My cat is an outdoor cat and she causes a lot of mischief. Literally, she used to run across the couches in the morning. Like, are you kidding? It's absurd. It's like my cat is now, she's like 2 years old, and I have a fat cat. So when you literally pick her up, she growls and hisses and she's like, it's ridiculous. All my cats are ridiculous. And my brother has a cat named Jeremiah. His name is Jeremiah, not the cat. The cat's name is like Whiskers or something. Or like Tommy. But anyway, if you're gonna need the slime, then you're gonna have to have cold hands, because actually if someone needs it with hot hands, it's gonna stick to their hands and it's gonna be really bad. Like, when you can't knead it if it sticks to your hands. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're really gonna clean out the bowl. But look how hard it is to stir. See that? But you're probably gonna, if you're using a shaving cream and you make normal slime with that glue, see what I mean? There's still more glue. Oh, I hate when that happens. One thing that a lot of slime experts do What sentence did I stop at?
What?
What sentence did I stop at? And a lot of slime makers, sorry for the pause, but a lot of slime makers, they always use borax, but borax is actually not safe ingredient, because the last people put this all over the news on the internet. And so, it's where this girl was making homemade slime, and she was dealing with borax. And when she was playing with it, a few hours later, or minutes, her hands started getting, like, they were starting to burn really bad, and she was screaming. And then she got 3rd-degree burns. So, and we didn't have borax at that time, so now we're not even going to use it for slime because it's really dangerous. And people knew that it was dangerous, but they were still using it for slime because they just use it for slime. Use it for slime. Oh, I hate it. The one time when I was making slime, I was making it with clear glue, and the bottle is this big. So I emptied it all into a bowl, and it almost went all the way to the top of the bowl. And it was so much glue. And then when I did the baking soda, this is what happened. I thought I was making it wrong. Well, I actually wasn't making it wrong, but I thought the glue was like really bad. But then I had to make it, I had to knead it with my hands, and it was like liquid. It was like kneading water. But you can't even, I would say it's a little bit of solid, but like liquid. And I was trying to just knead it, but I thought I failed. And I literally had to spend like an hour trying to knead it, and it took forever. But I need to really get moving on because right now it's taking forever to make it. There's still like. So, guys, I'm actually gonna fast forward making. I'm actually gonna go to where the slime is all finished, or when I'm making this batch. So we'll just see. So I'm going to pause real quick. I have to finish. So where's this for?
One, two, three.
Okay, so I just finished kneading slime and making it all perfect. So, oh my nose. Oh, the smell in here. So, you know what we have to do about that next video. So I'm gonna leave it right here, and then I am going to play with my slime. Okay. So I'm gonna do what the heck happened? See, it's this is like a pastel color, but if you leave it out, it turns to like the color it is. Like if you play with it a lot, then it would turn a pastel color, but then it will turn the color it is when you leave it out for some reason. I don't know why, but it just does. Okay. So I am going to put this because for some reason it's so satisfying. This is so weird. Oh my gosh. It would be 22 minutes of long if I wouldn't need that in front of the camera. Come on. Got things to do today.
What?
Okay. Okay, now unpause it.
Okay.
Okay, so I emptied out all the glue, and this is it, right here. Compare it. This is pastel. This is this warm color. Right here. Okay, so we're gonna do what we normally do. So you're gonna use the small one. or a show.
Mhm.
TV show. Apparently it is. Okay, so mix it. Put the baking soda in. We'll pour the glue out. Put the baking soda in, and then you do the shaving cream. Okay. So then you mix it. This is so weird. As you see, it's coming together great. Already together. Okay, so now what do you do? Okay. You add the ocean. You add the ocean. You add the lotion. And then mix. Coming together. You gotta do what you gotta do. And then finally you add the contact lens solution. Okay, so this is the end of the video, guys. And so make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications so you know when I post a video. Because if we get this video to, I'd say, let's do 500 likes. If we get this video to 500 likes, then I will make a lot more videos because I recently haven't been making a lot of videos. So if we hit 500 likes, then I will make more videos because I've been working on a thing where I've been going to make Miranda videos. If you don't know what Miranda is, it's Miranda Sings, and she wears a lot of lipstick and she's ridiculous.